Wealth Warriors. If you've ever thought, I want to make money online, but I don't have a product or a course or even a clue where to start, this video is about to blow your mind. So today I'm giving you the inside scoop of OfferLab, Russell Brunson's brand new platform that lets you earn money online without creating a product of your own. Yep. You can promote other people's products, digital offers, earn commissions, and build your online income right now. So if you're over 50, tech shy, and tired of watching everyone else figure it out, you're in the right place. So let's break it down step by step. So what the heck is OfferLab? Well, OfferLab is an affiliate marketing platform that brings together creators, coaches, and product owners who are looking for people just like you to promote their offers. And they're willing to pay you a commission for every sale you help make. So think of it like Etsy plus ClickBank plus a digital product boutique, but way easier to navigate. I'm going to take you inside so you'll get to see it firsthand. The best part, you don't need any inventory, you don't need your own product, and you don't even need a big audience. You can plug into the system, grab your unique affiliate link, and start promoting offers you believe in right from your phone. So let's talk about who OfferLab is perfect for. Total beginners who don't want to create products from scratch. Digital creators who want passive income streams. Coaches or consultants who want to test promoting offers before making their own. My over 50 queens who want to retire smart and make money in their jammies. If you've got a social media page, maybe an email list, or even just a few friends who ask you for recommendations, well, OfferLab gives you a way to monetize that. So here's how it works, and I'm going to show you visuals so you'll get to see everything. Right? But basically you sign up for OfferLab. The link is below this video. Okay. Use my link in the description. It's absolutely free to sign up. Cost you nothing. Browse the marketplace. You'll see courses, templates, coaching programs, e-commerce products, and more, all listed with commission percentages. Then you request to promote, just like adding something to your cart, except you're requesting to promote it. So that's where the collaboration comes in, and we collaborate with the other creators on the platform. Then you want to grab your link. Once approved, you're going to get a unique affiliate link. Then you want to share it. Use that link in your social media posts, emails, or your link in bio if you have a link tree, beacon, stand store, anything like that. And then of course you earn. You get paid when someone buys using your link. So here's a pro tip. You want to choose products that align with your niche and values. Don't just grab some random stuff. Think, would I use this or recommend this to a friend? You always want to recommend things that you would recommend to other people. You don't want to say, hey, go try that restaurant. It was really great. Oh, really? What'd you have? Oh, I didn't eat there. So you want to make sure that it's something that you would actually recommend to someone else. Here's how you can start promoting right away, even with a small audience. You create a simple Instagram story. This tool helped save me hours. DM me link and I'll send it to you. Send a tip style email. Here's the number one thing I'm using this week to automate my biz. Make a short form video. Drop a post on Facebook with a personal story. Then add your link in the comments. The key? Talk like a real person, not a salesperson. You're helping someone solve a problem and getting paid for it. Win-win, right? So let me take you into the OfferLab platform so you can actually see how this works. But here's the main goodness of this whole platform. Is you can actually bring affiliates to the platform. You recommend the platform to other people, they sign up, and depending upon whether or not you decide to upgrade and get certified and become a super affiliate, or whether or not you actually make sales on the platform, but you can earn a percentage for everybody that you bring into the platform. Mind-blowing, right? But yes, you can earn commissions for the sales that you have recommended to other people. So let me take you into the platform and I will show you around. Okay, so here I am inside of my dashboard, inside of OfferLab. Over here on the left-hand side, I'm on my home screen. Right here's your invite link. If you want to invite people to the platform, click, copy, send it on out. And you can even share it pretty quickly, pretty easily. If you want to send it in messages, you want to create a QR code or Facebook, you can actually share it right here from inside the platform. If you want to sell something, you can actually sign up for free and start selling other people's products right away once you request to collaborate with them. That's what we're calling it, collaboration. So you have your own funnel. So these are collaborations that I have requested. You have your own products. So these are the products so far that I have uploaded, and you any orders, like if you've actually had any orders for your products. Then over here on the left-hand side, we're going to go down to Marketplace. Now this is where you find all the products that are listed for sale. And up here at the top, you can see they've got Explore. So that's kind of like all of them. Then you have your e-commerce type products, so physical products. Then you have your digital goods, which could be ebooks, workbooks, it could be courses, right? There's so much inside of here. Then you have your courses and coaching. So if you have a coaching program, you can actually sell that in here. So look at this, LinkedIn for coaches. I love this. So if you click on one of them, you can actually read and learn about the software, learn about the program, whatever you're selling, and then you can actually see the commission. So it's a 50% commission structure, one-time price of $297. You would earn $148.50. Not bad. So if I want to promote this product, I would have to click promote this offer. It would bring this up. So I would reach out to this creator and say, hey, I would really love to sell your LinkedIn for Coaches program. And they would either approve me or disapprove me. But you have to request that for each and every product, which isn't a bad, I haven't had anybody deny me yet. And then of course you can go on to experiences. And these would be your virtual or your in-person events that anybody might be selling. So they have so much inside of here and they're only growing. We just launched. Well, we're in pre-launch right now. So if you're watching this after the pre-launch, we officially launch on September 3rd. So the whole world doesn't even know about this yet. So if you're one of those few, get in now while you can. Click that link down below and get into OfferLab while you can. Then over here is to the left, you have your messages. So all the people that you've actually collaborated or requested to collaborate with. You have your insights. You can actually see all the monies that you've made. Now the payouts are done on every 30 days. So you don't get paid every day. You get paid every 30 days. Then you have your down here on the left, you click your refer friends. I'm not going to bring that up because it's got email addresses and I don't want to do that. So go back to home. We're going to click back on Marketplace. But that's pretty much it. You can recommend OfferLab to other people and bring people onto the platform. And you can get paid for any of the sales that they make. Now, if you upgrade to the $497 certification program, you become a super affiliate and you can earn 2% for everything that all the affiliates that you bring into the platform earn. If you don't, you have to make $1,000 worth of sales on the platform and then you can get paid 0.5% of everything that someone else makes sales for that you bring in on the platform. So it's actually a brilliant idea to where we can actually start collaborating and helping each other. So there you have it. That's inside of OfferLab. If you've ever felt like you don't have anything to sell, OfferLab changes that. You can plug into someone else's product, promote it in your voice, and build income streams that support your goals, all without fancy funnels or big budgets. You can build funnels right inside of OfferLab, and you can actually take like 3 different people's offers and put them together in one funnel. It's amazing. So you can actually have 3 different offers in one funnel. Your core offer, an upsell, and an order bump. Either way. Okay. So if you want to get started, go ahead and grab my link below and I'll send you a step-by-step bonus guide to help pick up your first offer and start promoting. So if you're ready to get started, go ahead and click the OfferLab link down below, or you can comment OfferLab and I'll send you the information to you. If this sounds like something that you want to try, or if you want help choosing the best product for your niche, let me know. And don't forget to subscribe because in the next 2 weeks, I'm walking you through exactly how to set up your stand store to start selling your own digital products. Because we're not just watching videos over here, we're building empires, all right? We'll see you next time. If you want to continue learning and growing together, watch this video that's coming up next, and I will see you over there.